Hey everyone, just wanted to make this video to help you record some audio as is asked of you in your U13 assignment. There is a section in the U13 assignment Dropbox that allows you to record audio, but if that doesn't work for you, I just wanted to show you a second way to do it. All you do is go to a search engine. In this case I went to Google. Type in audio recorder. The first one that comes up is onlinevoicerecorder.com. If you click that link, you can start recording audio right here by clicking on this red microphone button. It might ask you to allow access to this website to use your microphone on your computer or whatever you're using. If it does, just click allow or yes, and this is how to do it. This is a test. Pause when you're done. You've got 3 seconds of recording, or I do hit stop. It'll process for a second. You can save it. For mine on Chrome, it saves down here. I'm going to go to the folder that I saved it to, and there, right there, is my recorded. If I click that, this is a test. Okay, there's my file right there. Now if I take that and I go to the home page, I'm signed in as a student, as you can see, so this is what you guys see. I see different things as a teacher, so because I can edit things. Click on the assignments, go to the U31 assignment. They'll ask you to upload a file. This is the part where you can record audio. Right there, it may not work for you, so that's why I've just showed you another way. If that works, just click there and record your audio file. That's fine. You should probably have a script. If that doesn't work, then you're going to simply be asked to load this file. Where is it from? It's from my computer because that's where I saved it to. So then it's just going to ask me to upload. I can go back to this tab here and take this, drag, and drop. There's my file. I would probably title it something different and click add. There you go. Now my file has been uploaded, and I'm going to simply click on the submit button to upload that file. If you have any questions, please feel free to email.